Hi everybody, this is Tina with Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and I'm going to do the whole month of 2024 31 Day Smashbook Challenge Project Share for 31 days. So, first day we start out, I did just an introduction page kind of, so you knew what was going on. And then on this side it says all the prompts. So, the first thing was about me. And I wrote about my childhood. Just did it in like a little letter form. That was day 1. Day 2 was goals. And I actually met a goal, so we're going to cross that goal met. So, I am met. Let's see. I did move the flower bed. Check. Move flagpole. Check. That got done. That goal was met. What am I doing now? It was about basically what I did that day. Day 3. Oh, day 4 was favorite animal, which was cows. Favorite books was day 5. Day 6 was our zodiac sign and meaning. Day 7 was favorite pictures. Day 8 was favorite food or candy. Day 9 and 10 were favorite movies and favorite TV shows. Day 11 was camp or hobbies. Day 12 was family. Day 13 was where I want to go, where I've traveled, and I listed them by all the states that I went to. And I have 20 states of 50 that I've been to. I think that's not bad. Day 15 was concerts, and I could have kept this going for many, many, many pages. I've come to realize I have attended a lot of concerts. Day 16, my childhood favorite games. And I kind of got them all listed, printed out pictures of them. I forgot Sorry. Sorry was one of my favorite games, so I wrote it down there. This was the funny page, day 17, because I read it real quick. I thought it was a favorite story, and here it was stores. So I left this one, and then if you go back here, because I already had day number 18, and I wanted to leave it in order. Here's my favorite stores. It was so funny. If you go back to day 17, I have a hard time not cracking myself up, laughing at myself because Diamond's the one that discovered it. Day 18 was favorite character. I love John Wayne as any character, Johnny Depp as Jack Sparrow, Orlando Bloom as Legolas in Lord of the Rings. Day 19 was my inspiration, my grandpa and my mom. Day 20 was quotes. Day 21 was seasons. Now, I did a funny on this one. I didn't do like fall, winter, spring, Christmas, blah, blah. I did this song by 30 Seconds to Mars. I just love that song. Day 22 were pets. At the moment, all my pets are in the Rainbow Bridge. But I am getting a new kitty cat in a few weeks. Day 23, Day 23 was music, and I pictures of all the bands I like. Day 24 was what's on my desk. It was actually pretty clean that day I took that picture. Surprising. Day 25 was if I won the lottery. I wouldn't tell anybody. Day 26 was favorites. I got my favorite number, stickers, turquoise, favorite colors, mixed media, doodling, favorite activities, going out with Scott on a Harley, camping, living history, rendezvousing, sitting around a fire. Day 28 was my bucket list. I got them all listed. Day 29 was favorite artist. Vincent Van Gogh. Myself, of course. I thought it was funny. Claude Monet and Diane Rivoli. And day 30, I chose to do favorite YouTube channels. Or not favorite YouTube channels, but YouTube channels I frequently watch more than the others. I mean, just because you're not there doesn't mean I don't watch you. But these are ones that stand out to me. Day 31 was Easter, so I did the grandkids. And then I went on to April, and as you can see, my April's very limited. I'm having my right hand surgery on the 4th, my left hand surgery on the 6th, and then the 29th, I have a final checkup on both hands, and then I start physical therapy. So, yeah, April, I am not going to be able to do much crafting. I mean, I have to do, I don't know everything until I go in on the 4th of what limits are. But I know I'm not going to be able to craft because this is my right hand. This is my dominant hand. So that is the 31 days of the Smashbook. It was fun. Challenging a little times to think. A couple mess ups, but that's what it is. So, thanks for watching, everybody. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.